So if I had to start 360 waves today, I would skip 90% of what beginners spend time on. No product hopping, no over brushing, and no destroying my scalp. If you're brand new to waves or restarting, listen closely. Most people don't fail getting 360 waves because it's hard, they just start wrong. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you step by step exactly what I would do. So the first thing, my hair length, I'm starting with about a 1.5. Not bald, not too overgrown. You know what I'm saying? Right in the middle. I think a 1.5 is perfect to just start out. So for your products, one moisturizer, one do-rag, one brush. You got to keep it simple, man. If you are buying 5 products, 5 brushes, day one, y'all already doing too much. I'm just keeping it a buck with you. So the brush you want to start with is a medium brush. A medium brush on a 1.5, you should be straight. I brush for about 15 to 20 minutes, once or twice a day. You can break it up throughout the day, however you want to go about it, but that's what I would do. Once or twice a day for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'd be focusing straight on my angles, not force, not speed, my angles. Also get a mirror. You want a mirror brush so you can focus on your brush session and see your pattern so you know that you're brushing your pattern correctly. I'm moisturizing every 1 to 2 days. Not every time I brush. Dry hair doesn't wave, but over curled hair doesn't wave either. My wash schedule, I'm washing my waves once a week. Now currently, I wash 2 times a week just to be safe, but as a beginner and being new to doing washing styles and having to learn, I would recommend just doing once a week. More than 2 times a week is too much. Overwashing your 360 waves will ruin your progress. Now, this is where people either level up or quit. Wolfing. Wolfing is just growing your hair out for a long period of time, and it is a big part of being a waver. But as a beginner, I'm only wolfing 4 to 6 weeks max. Wolfing is a big part of waving, but as a beginner, it can be very frustrating and very discouraging when trying to, wolf as a beginner when you don't really know what you're doing. 4 to 6 weeks and then go and get your cut. That's what I would do. I'd comb right before brushing when my hair has enough lift. We comb to lift, we brush to lay. Another important thing as a 360 wave beginner, scalp issues. You may notice flakes while you're brushing. A lot of beginners confuse that with dandruff, when most of the time, in actual reality, it may just be dry scalp. Dandruff is a scalp condition that actually needs treatment. If you're just noticing white flakes, it may just be dry scalp. And what I would do if that is the case, I would be on top of my moisturizer schedule, 1 to 2 days. I'm not overwashing and I'm not using multiple products, because product buildup is what can create those flakes and give you dry scalp. But dandruff is, like yellow flakes, redness in the scalp, and nonstop itching. Dry scalp is just what's most common. Now, some things that you want to avoid as a 360 wave beginner: copying elite wavers. They're experienced, they've been doing this for a long time, they know what they're doing, they know how to take care of their waves. Product hopping every week, there's no need for that as a beginner. You should be fine with your one moisturizer for a while. Brushing dry hair, this is what you got the moisturizer for. You should never brush your hair when it is completely dry, nothing, like not even water. You should never brush that way. The biggest one is expecting waves in 2 weeks. Now, I'm gonna be real. If you do everything that I said in this video, you would actually see waves in 2 weeks. But as a beginner, that's just not the case for most people. If you are not doing these things consistently, don't expect to see the results, man. The brush is what gives you results. So if you're brushing and you're on top of everything, you should see progress. You will see progress. You're not going to see crazy progress. But you should see something. Little shadow waves, little swiggly lines, you know what I'm saying? You should see something in 2 weeks if you do this. So the 3 main takeaways: focus on your angles for your pattern, scalp health, and consistent brushing. If you do those 3 things, you're gonna be spinning in no time. So if you're serious about 360 waves, subscribe.